Alright, this tutorial is for setting up scanning, SMB scanning, on a C360 with Windows XP. This is more for the professional side of it. It's kind of a professional home hybrid edition. I'll point out the differences between the two when they come up. What you're first going to do is click on Start, and then you're going to right click on My Computer, and then you're going to click on Manage when that comes available. Alright, and then when Manage comes available, I'll show you here. Alright, if you're running XP Professional here, you're going to click on Local Users and Groups. If it's Home, that won't be there, so you'll just go ahead and skip this step and continue watching for the next step. What you're going to do now is you're going to right click in that little blank area right below the users. You're going to click on New User. When that screen comes up, you're going to type in Bizhub is the universal username that we use for our machines, and the password is exclamation point, capital P ASSWORD exclamation point. And then you're going to uncheck change password first login, then check user cannot change password and password never expires. Click create and then click close. And again, if you miss that password, it's exclamation point, capital P, lowercase ASSWORD, exclamation point. Alright, now go ahead and double click on the username Bizhub. And click Member of. Click on Users, and then click Remove, and then click OK. And basically what this does is if you see the little icons when you first boot up with the different usernames, it just removes Bizhub from there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a folder to share. Click on Start, then click My Computer. And when that comes up, go ahead and double click on the C drive. And you may or may not see this next screen. If you do, just go ahead and click on Show the Contents of this folder. Alright, now what you're going to do is right click in the blank area below the folders. And go to New, and then Folder. And when that folder comes up, we're going to rename it My Scans, all one word. Okay, now go ahead and right click on the My Scans folder and click on Send To. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a shortcut on the desktop. And as soon as it comes up, click on Desktop. Alright, now we're going to right click on the My Scans folder again. And we're going to go down to Properties. And we're going to click on Sharing. And this is where XP Pro and Home is going to differ again, and the hybrid. This is the hybrid version of XP Pro. If it's Home, you're going to see this. Just click on if you understand, and then just enable sharing and hit OK. If you see Pro version, which I have another tutorial available for the true Pro version, and you're going to have to actually set up permissions. But just go ahead and check mark the box that says share this folder on the network and allow users to change files, and then hit OK. Okay, now what we're going to do is in the address bar, go ahead and type in the IP address of the copier. It's going to be something like 192.168.1, and it looks like mine is 68. And if you don't have the address bar here, go ahead and just open up Internet Explorer or Firefox, whatever web browser you use. Alright, and now you're going to click on Address Book. And what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you how to find either the host name or the IP address of your computer, because that's what the copier needs in order to scan to it. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Start. And then click Run. And then when the Run command comes up, type in CMD. And then hit OK. Alright, that's going to bring up your command prompt screen. When the command prompt comes up, go ahead and type in ipconfig space /all. Now right here, this is going to show you your IP address and the host name of your computer. And you can scan to the IP address of your computer. It's more recommended to scan to the host name if it will work, because if you notice there it says DHCP enabled yes, it means that the IP address could possibly change, and that's not good for the scanning world. Alright, what we're going to do now is go ahead and click on New Registration, click on SMB, and then click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and minimize my screen and move it over, that way I can see both the command prompt and the screen. And here, the very top one, you're just going to leave it checked where it says use opening number. And for the name, this is going to be your one-touch name. This is what's the copier is going to show. I'm just going to title mine Adam Scans. You can title it whatever you want. And the next one down, where it says ABC, basically this is where it's going to put your name. Like mine's Adam, it needs to go underneath ABC. If yours is Jill, it needs to go underneath the J. Make sure the main is check marked, that way it shows up on your main screen. The next one down, you're going to check mark the host name. Like I said, it's better to scan to the host name versus the IP address. So just go ahead and type in your host name, and also some of these, the host name needs to be in all caps. That's not on all cases, but I'd go ahead and do it now, and that way we don't have any issues later. The next one down, the file path is going to be my scans, and then the username is going to be Bizhub, and then type in the password. Password again is exclamation point, capital P, ASSWRD, exclamation point. Then go ahead and hit OK. The screen here comes up, it says it was complete. Go ahead and click OK now. And now go ahead and go over to your copier and send a test scan, and it should show up underneath the My Scans folder. If it does not, what you may need to do is go back in and change the host name from the host name to the IP address and try it again. Alright, that concludes the tutorial for setting up SMB scanning for the C360. Have fun.